How to find saved TikTok videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to find saved TikTok videos. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch TikTok app. Make sure to sign in to your account. Suppose if this is the video that I wanna save, tap the save icon which is under comment icon. So it has been added to favorites. If you want to find the saved TikTok videos, tap profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. So simply next to the heart-like icon, you can easily see the bookmark icon. Select that and these are all your saved TikTok videos. In this way, you can easily find your post collection, sounds and effects, products, playlist, films, TV, all that you have saved on TikTok. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.